Welcome to Costa Rica, a land where the vibrant pulse of nature is felt in every breath. Today, we begin our three-part journey through this tropical paradise. In this first leg, we immerse ourselves in the heart of the jungle, where the air is thick with life and the sounds of the wild. High above, the howler monkeys announce their presence, guarding the secrets of the ancient canopy. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Every step reveals a new burst of color, from the deep reds of tropical ginger to the delicate beauty of wild orchids. The smallest inhabitants are often the most dazzling, like this hummingbird dancing between nectar-filled blooms. Now, let's follow the sound of water deeper into the emerald shadows of the primary forest. The scale of the flora here is humbling, with ferns that have stood the test of time for millennia. Patience is rewarded here. A three-toed sloth moves with the unhurried grace that defines the Costa Rican pace of life. A flash of iridescent blue, the blue morpho, reminds us of the fleeting magic found in every corner. As the light filters through the leaves, we spot a red-eyed tree frog, a vibrant icon of this biological corridor. We've climbed higher now, into the cloud forest, where the trees are draped in moss and mystery. The forest opens up to reveal the magnificent La Fortuna waterfall, a powerful testament to the island's raw energy. The cool spray is a welcome relief, a refreshing baptism in one of nature's most sacred cathedrals. A keel-billed toucan watches us from above, its colors a perfect match for the vibrant forest life. Even the smallest creatures have a grand purpose. These leafcutter ants are the forest's tireless architects. Walking across the hanging bridges gives us a bird's-eye view of the complex layers of the canopy. From up here, the forest looks like an endless sea of green, teeming with stories we have yet to discover. Look closely at the trees. Bromeliads cling to the bark, creating microhabitats for tiny insects and frogs. When the sun breaks through, the forest is transformed into a cathedral of light and shadow. A curious coati crosses our path, searching the leaf litter for a midday snack. The ancient ceiba trees stand like pillars, connecting the earth to the heavens above. A sudden tropical shower brings a new rhythm to the forest, nourishing the life that thrives here. Spider monkeys swing through the trees with an agility that seems to defy gravity. The shy agouti nibbles on a fallen fruit, always alert to the sounds of the jungle. As the day begins to fade, the colors of the sky rival the vibrancy of the forest itself. The evening chorus begins, led by the rhythmic hum of cicadas as the forest settles into dusk. Our journey has only just begun. In part 2, we'll leave the jungle behind and head toward the stunning Pacific coast. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.